Four works off my list. What's left to do? Just get.
Hello loves, hope you're doing well. Welcome back again to this channel. So today I'm going to do nails and wigs parlor. Actually it's on Monday, it's around 11 a.m. I might be changing my nails. These are only 2 weeks. They are plain gel, nothing added, no acrylic, no anything. So we might be changing this because we are going to be trying a new product, but once I get there is when we are going to know if we are going to be changing this or we are just going to be doing a pedicure, because we have new products that we need to try on ourselves. We always try new products on ourselves so that when we are putting them on you, we are sure that the products are good and they are going to be serving you in the right manner. So we are going to be doing that today. So I'm on my way right now. I'm waiting for my Uber so that I can just get out and go to Thrift Nails and Wigs Parlor. And guys, if you've not booked your appointment with us, just book an appointment so that you can have to testify our good, amazing services. Let's meet at the shop.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do? Just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting.
Morning loves, hope you're doing well. Today is on Tuesday and I'm here after going to Thrift yesterday. We tried the new product and as you can see from my fingers, we have new nails. So I'm so much in love with this. These are the product that we were trying, the pinkish, the nudish thing. It's an overlay thing. So we were trying that so that we can see how it's going to work on me and how long it's going to serve me. I'm also going to be putting a picture over here for the new nails so that you can see them properly, because I'm sure you're not getting the proper view of this. But I was not able to do the new pedicure that we are to introduce because things were not going as the way they are supposed to be, more so back at home. I'm thinking maybe we are going to do the new pedicure to my lady nail tech or maybe a friend. If that is not going to be possible, I just need a person who is going to be giving me a genuine review on the product. So I'm going to be planning on that, or maybe if I get time I'll still do the pedicure. So the reason why I didn't get time, it's because it was the first day that I was leaving my baby back home with the new nanny. And let me tell you, mine, when I was looking at the nanny cam, imagine the baby wakes up at 12:57 and that's the time he's giving him a snack instead of feeding him the food that I had left. What is that, guys? It's about reasoning. Just comment below, moms, and tell me, does this happen to you? Amani Mimi too. Mind you, I had left clear instructions that if the baby wakes up at before 12, you can give him a snack. But if he wakes up after 12, don't give him a snack, but wait until 1 and give food. That was just a simple instruction. But where? I don't know how we are going to fare this way, but we will see. Like, does it have to be always like this, like before you get a good nanny? Because for me, I promised myself to hire and fire until I get that good person, because with a small baby you need someone who is reasoning. Because how can you give a small baby, a 9 months baby, a snack at 1 p.m. because 12:57 it's 1 p.m. instead of lunch? Yourself, you can't take a snack at 1, you'll take some food. So I just wonder, where's the reasoning? Also, that is not okay. So it gave me a torture and today I'm not willing to leave the house. It's a good thing that my work doesn't need me to always be out of the house. That's something that I'm grateful for. I don't regret the decision that I made to quit 9 to 5 job, because if it was 9 to 5 job, guys, I don't know how I would be surviving. But it's well, it's going to be well. So I'm going to be talking to my nanny today and see how she's going to fare out. And in cases that she's not going to change, I have no option but letting her go. Since today is a chill day, my Wi-Fi had an issue, so I called a technician to work on it so that I can catch up with my faves and enjoy my day. Then later I received this delivery. I had sent my rider for diapers I was running out of diapers and I'm planning to go get diapers tomorrow in town. I get my diapers from Just Moms in Biashara Street. It's opposite I&M Bank, and that's where I also got my car seat and my feeding utensils for my baby. So right now we are using diaper number 3, and as always, Molfix and Hanan wipes. Molfix has been one of my best diapers. It is one of the underrated diaper, but for me, it serves me the best. I got 4 packs of Hanan value pack wipes. As you can see, it's 72 plus 18 free sheet.
It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an.
Hello loves, today is on Wednesday and I'm going to be cleaning my baby cot thoroughly. I'm going to be using soap and water, and it's been a while since I did a thorough cleaning on this baby cot, because ever when I'm wiping it down, my baby is mostly asleep, so I always just wipe it and go. But today I decided to remove everything and clean, and then make the cot so that it can feel fresh.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do? Just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need.
And here we are. I'm done cleaning the cot. I'm now returning everything into place, apart from the net. This one I had cleaned it, so I'm waiting for it to dry, and voila, look at that. It's so clean, it's so tidy, and I love how it looks. Now I'm in the kitchen, guys, and I'm waiting for my fundi to be here. This has been my pantry for some time now. I love it, not that I don't like it, but I want it extended down here, because I need a longer pantry that will accommodate my potatoes, my onions, because I don't want to buy a portable trolley for that. So I'm here waiting for my fundi, and this is the situation down here. Baby's utensils are placed on that table, and beside that we have a trolley that have my onions. As I'm waiting for my fundi, let me show you how I always store my extra tomatoes. So here, this is my freezer, and I always put them in the freezer. As you can see up here, I have some that were here previously, like this one. It has been here for a while and it's so hard, so I always put them in a freezer, and when cooking I remove them like 2 to 5 minutes before I cook, and you can cut it easily. I had a friend who had gone to the village and she got me a lot of tomatoes. I have placed all those that are on the lowest part, and this what remained. It was a lot. My fundi is here, and we cleared the mess that was down here. Let's work on this part and see how it turns out. I'm crossing my fingers to see the results, the end results, but I'm not scared because I trust my fundi. It's not the first time that I'm working with him, so I know he's going to deliver exactly what I want. I know I'm using a board of different textures, but guys, I'm sure you are going to be loving the end result of my pantry. I'm using a board from previous project.
When a day's gone,
this is what we achieved, guys. This is what I wanted, and I placed my microwave over there so that I'm able to see if it can stay there, but I'm not comfortable of how it looks, though I'm going to decide after this. So yeah, and I have already placed my potatoes over there and everything else. I'm so much in love. Here I have a bag full of baby clothes. These are Tush, and I'm truly in love with them, because this is a gift from a friend. And let me ask you, who are your friends? Who are your friends, guys? Because my friend here has surprised me. a big time. And imagine we already have a bathrobe. Look at that. This is so cute, guys. This is so cute. I'm just in love with it. Actually, even the colors, hey, the nude and the brown and the white is so lovely. Who are your friends? Who are your friends, guys? Sunny, thank you so much. So these are the things. So these are the things that I got. Look at this. I'm just going to show you quickly. This is a t-shirt. This is a sweater. And then more sweaters over here. This is a hooded sweater. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Another sweater over here. Then trousers. Trousers. Look at this. Look at this. How cute is this? How cute. That's so cute. Look at another one here. A black one. Then this other one. And the best part of it, they have this adjustable thing. But I don't think it's moving. It's just for decorations. We have this other one. Look at this. So cute. Another one over here. But some are moving. You can adjust, like this one you can adjust. So a yellow one. So cute and lovely. More trousers over here. Look at this. Cute. Cute. Who are your friends, guys? All this. Imagine, guys. From a friend. This is so minding. This is so mindful. Look at this other one. This is another trouser. Eish. So cute. And the pockets over here. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more, guys. Look at that trouser. Look at that. So cute. And then the last one. Here it is. So imagine, guys, all this from a friend. From a friend, guys. What do I pay this girl with? How do I pay this girl? How do I pay this girl? Thank you, Sana Mama D. Thank you. May God bless you. And always, if you are there and you know a mom, and you know her taste, you know maybe what she would like, just go ahead and do some shopping for her if you can, for maybe like baby clothing. Just go ahead and do it for her. Because like for me, kutoka imekuwa ngumu to go and do this shopping. Actually, even the previous clothes that I had shown you previously, I guess I mentioned I had sent my husband. I shopped them online and sent my husband. It's always not easy to have so much movement when you have a small baby. And actually, when you have issues with nannies, moving around becomes hectic. So I'm going to be soaking all these clothes in Dettol because Jig could be so strong for the baby. I'm going to be soaking them overnight and then I'm going to be cleaning them tomorrow.
Be gone, that's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted, no denying it. Cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in.
Hello loves, hope you're doing well. Today is on Thursday. I previously talked to you on Tuesday as I was ventilating here. So today is on Thursday, and actually I've realized I'm giving you update from the same spot. I think it's because the time I'm doing this, the baby is always sleeping in the other room, so I can't just go start talking and he wakes up. So I'm going to go back to Thrift today to do the new pedicure before we do it on you guys. As I mentioned previously on Monday, I was not able to do that because of some issues, and on Tuesday I just rested, and on yesterday I had a fundi. I also did some bit of cleaning. I hope you've watched that previously before this. So I'm going to be doing that today in Turi. And guys, support a girl. Make your appointment to Turi Nails and Wigs Parlor. Treat a girl. Also, you can treat your mom. You can treat a friend. Also, subscribe to this channel. That's the only way that you can support your girl. So at least now I did talk to my nanny, and she promised to do the work as it's supposed to be done. So I have no worries, and let me go to Turi. We meet there.
You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees.
This was the product that I was trying, guys, and it's super relaxing to your feet. So try Turi Nails and Wigs Parlor for this pedicure. Imagine they're even masking your feet. Where did you hear about masking feet? Just try them and you will thank me later. So guys, that's the end of the video. Until my next video, bye bye and take care of yourselves.
Breathe the sheets, you